This is my third video. I recommend you to follow my previous videos so that you can have a clear understanding of the concepts. So in this video, we will carry forward towards our journal entries. So today what we are going to do is, so there is an entry. Um, for example, if this is the case, if Mr. Ajay started the business with the cash 5 lakh rupees, so if this is the transaction, I have to enter it in this transaction as a Ajay capital account as credit and cash account as debit. So I have to enter this transaction in receipt voucher. So we'll go continue with the tally. So I'm entering into the voucher. I'm pressing receipts. So the credit will be a capital account for 5 lakh rupees. Debit is cash. The narrations, and I'm accepting the voucher. So now my balance sheet shows the 5 lakh rupees as my capital account. So the current assets, I have 5 lakh and 500 rupees in my hand as cash in my hand. So now I'm going to follow with the journal entries. So if I want to purchase an asset or I want to sell an asset, these entries will be recorded in journal voucher. So these are the entries. Furniture account will be debited and the purchase or the vendor account will be credited. If the vendor is specified, I have to go with the vendor account. If the vendor is not specified, I have to go with the purchase account. This is the entry to purchase an asset, and the corresponding sale of asset is the furniture account will be credited and sales or customer account will be debited. Similarly, if the customer is not provided, I have to go with the sales account, and if the customer is provided, then I have to go with the customer account. So we will see how to enter these transactions in Tally Prime. So I'm going with the vouchers. I'm selecting journal F7. So the debit will be, I'm going with the purchase of an asset. The purchase furniture will be debited. So let's say the cost will be 1 lakh rupees. The cost of asset is 1 lakh rupees. So the credit is, I'm using the vendor account. I'm purchasing this furniture from vendor for 1 lakh rupees. Let's say on account. So now I'm getting back. I'll see the balance sheet. The fixed asset as of now is furniture with 1 lakh rupees. So now I'm going to sell the asset. I'm entering into the vouchers. The same journal. I'm going to sell the asset to my customer. I'm debiting the customer. Let's say for example 1,50,000 rupees. The credit is the furniture. Sale of asset to customer. I'm saving the voucher. Now I'm visiting the balance sheet. So the entry shows the balance sheet shows that I have not paid for vendor, so it appears in the current liability. Similarly, I have not received any cash from my customer, So I have sold the assets, and till now I have not received any payment from the customer. That's why these are pending now. So I'm going to do the payment and receipts. So I'm going to the pay vouchers. So I want to do the payment first for the purchase of asset from a vendor. So I'm paying for that vendor. So the entry should be debit vendor account for 1 lakh rupees cash. Similarly, I want to do the receipts for the asset I have sold. So the credit will be my customer. I have sold it for 1,50,000 rupees. So now I'm going to see the balance sheet. So my liabilities have been cleared. There is no liability. Similarly, for the asset side, in sundry debtor side, there is no liability. So as of now, I have made some profit against the sale of asset. That is 50,000 rupees. That is reflecting here. So these are the journal entries that can be made in Tally Prime. Thank you.